Alright guys, so this is the 29-inch Craftmade Decorative ceiling fan in antique brass. I got this fan last February at Habitat, brand new in the box, and I think I paid around 15 bucks for it. So it was a pretty good deal. It has oak blades. I'll show you the box. I just unpacked it today. I had it sitting around for a while. So here it is. It shows a 42-inch model on the front, but it's really a 29-inch. Here's the side. Has all the finishes that it would come in, and has antique brass. There's 29-inch right there. There's this code right there. Other side. So, I was debating on getting this at the restore, because I actually realized the chain was broken when I opened it up in the box. It's okay though, I'll replace that as soon as I can. Here's all the packing and stuff. Instructions right there. And yeah, comes with an extra down rod in there too, so that's always handy. It's dated 1997. It says it up here somewhere. I'll show that at the end of the video though. Anyway, let's get it started. Here's low. I have to pull it outward because the chain's broken. Actually, let's see it better. Nah, this can be on for video because it has smaller blades. And this fan is growing on me more and more. It looks good in the couch area too. I mean, I can walk under it perfectly fine. It's really quiet too, so I like it a lot. And the sound you hear is from the fireplace. That's gas, so it's on right now. Perfectly balanced. It's medium speed. A little bit of a fast medium speed, but it's okay. It's a small fan, so it's kind of normal for it. And it's kicking a pretty decent breeze on medium speed. I'm feeling it right when I'm under it too. It's wobbling a little bit because I didn't tighten the mounting bracket all the way. But otherwise, it's pretty good. It's basically a Craftmade Max Air. Except it has a decorative motor. But I think it was right before they switched to the Max Air. Yeah. And it's really speeding up on high. It's blowing a really good breeze too. Because that's a 42-inch motor too, so it's a little overpowering for those small blades. But I am very happy with this fan. It's kicking out a good breeze. Looks good. Pretty classy looking fan too. Nice basic design. And the small blades makes it look a lot cooler. Shut it off. There's the Craftmade tag right there too. Yeah, I was debating on taking this out of the box and testing it, because I had it in the box for almost a year now, so I thought preserving it would be cool, but I just wanted to try it out so bad that I had to take it out. I'll show you the tag too. It's up there somewhere. Right there. I don't think you guys can see that well. That's alright. Pretty neat fan though. Alright, thank you guys for watching.